Good afternoon, everyone. Alright, we're actually in my forge right now, and as you can see, it's running. I've got a couple of pieces of steel in there right now. Now, I'm going to show how I bring the thickness of the metal that I start with down to the thickness that I want, and ultimately will end up with on my knives. Now, I've explained this before, where I believe that any kind of forged component is stronger than a cast piece of steel or any type of metal like that. Now what happens is by hammering it down under pressure and heat, it makes the grain structure much more tighter, consequently making a stronger piece of steel. Now, the steel you can buy, mono steel I believe it's called, or powder steel, it's just a piece of steel at the thickness that you would normally put a pattern on it, cut out, and there's your knife. That's not how I do things. I like forged knives. That's the traditional way of doing it, and it's, in my opinion, much stronger than any other method. Again, I take a piece of steel, I heat it up in the forge, and then I bring it down from somewhere around 3/8 of an inch, depending on the piece, the knife that I'm working on. Now these right now are Hudson Bays. These are all for orders, so okay, for now anyway. So I'm going to bring this piece down to about 1/4 of an inch when it's the final thickness, and then after that I hand hammer it on my anvil, where I forge in the bevels like I've shown in the past. So give me a minute here, and we'll bring you over to the power hammer and turn it on. We'll show everybody how that's working. Okay, see if I can do this without knocking everything over. Alright, 25-pound little giant power hammer. I'm going to work on the width first. Close to the thickness that I want. Probably give it a couple more heats and be all done. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. This one's going to go back in the forge. Catch you in the next one.